Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn a practical of biochemistry, that is qualitative analysis of proteins and amino acids. In previous video we have studied the 4 tests of qualitative analysis of proteins and amino acids. In this video we are going to learn the remaining test, that is Sakaguchi test, Hofkin test, lead acetate test and aldehyde test. Fifth test, that is Sakaguchi test. Principle: this test is given by all compounds containing guanidine group and thus it is an indication of the presence of arginine present either in free or in combined form. Guanidine in alkaline solution gives red color in the presence of alpha naphthol and sodium hypobromite. Procedure: add 1 ml of 10% sodium hydroxide and 1 ml of 0.02% alpha naphthol solution to 3 ml of each protein solution. After 3 minutes, add 2 to 4 ml of bromine water to each test tube. A strong red color can be stabilized by adding urea to destroy the excess of hypobromite. Here we have taken each protein solution containing 3 ml of albumin, casein and gelatin. In each test tube we have to add 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. Here we can observe the test tube. Then each of the test tube we have to add the bromine water and it will result into the formation of red color. Gelatin gives the red color. Then we have to add the bromine water into the casein solution. It also shows red color. Then after this we have to add the bromine water in the albumin solution and this albumin solution also gives red color. This is the observation. Observation and result: appearance of red color indicates the presence of arginine. Next is Hofkin-Cole test. Principle: the indole moiety of tryptophan condenses with aldehyde in acidic solution to yield purple or violet colored complex. Procedure: add 2 ml of Hofkin-Cole's reagent to 3 ml of each protein suspension. Mix it and incline each test tube and with a dropper add slowly about 1 ml concentrated sulfuric acid down the side of the test tube so that 2 layers will form. Do not stir. Let stand for 1 to 2 minutes and note the color formed in between the layer. Here we have taken in each test tube 3 ml of protein solution. In each of the protein solution we have to add the Hofkin's reagent. After addition of Hopkins reagent, we have to add concentrated sulfuric acid solution to each protein solution. A purple-violet ring appears at the junction of amino acid solution and the concentrated sulfuric acid. The formation of this colored ring confirms the presence of tryptophan. Here we can observe the violet ring at the junction. Observation and result. A purple ring is formed at the junction of the two layers, which indicates the presence of tryptophan in the protein solution. Next is sulfur reaction or lead acetate test. Principle: when cysteine and cysteine are boiled with strong alkali, organic sulfur in amino acid is converted to sulfide. This sodium sulfide reacts with lead acetate to form a black-gray precipitate of lead sulfide. Procedure: add 5 ml of 5% sodium hydroxide and a few crystals of lead acetate to 3 ml of each protein suspension. Heat in boiling water bath with the occasional mixing of the contents of the test tube and describe the color change. Here, in 1 ml of amino acid solution, add 5% sodium hydroxide solution. Then boil the contents for 5 to 10 minutes and then add a few crystals of lead acetate. This is the observation for gelatin, that is appearance of black precipitate at the bottom. This is the observation for casein. The grey colored precipitate is observed. And this is the observation for albumin, that is grey or black colored precipitate is observed at the bottom. Observation and result: a dark grey or black colored precipitate indicates the presence of sulfur containing amino acid, that is cysteine and cysteine. And last test is aldehyde test. Principle: aldehyde reacts with the oxidized product to the indole nucleus of tryptophan to give violet colored complex. This test is basically used for the indole or tryptophan. Procedure: to 3 ml of protein solution, add 2 drops of formalin and 1 drop of mercuric sulfate. Mix well, then add gently 3 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid through the side of the test tube. Observation and result. A violet ring develops at the junction of the layer, which indicates the presence of tryptophan in the protein. Then overview of color reactions of amino acids and proteins. This is the overview of all the tests. These are the qualitative tests of amino acids and proteins, and here is the observations, that is color change, Biuret test, xanthoprotic test, Milan's test, aldehyde test, Sakaguchi test, sulfur test, ninhydrin test and Molish test, and these are the observations. Thank you.